Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen on the stove. First, grab your favorite instant ramen package and measure out 2 cups of water. You'll also need a small saucepan and access to a stove burner. If you plan to add toppings, like a perfectly soft-boiled egg or some fresh green onions, have those ready to go before you start cooking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick cooking process. Now let's get those noodles cooking. Pour your 2 cups of water into the saucepan and place it on the stove over high heat. Bring the water to a strong, rolling boil. Once boiling, carefully add the block of ramen noodles to the water. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, gently stirring with chopsticks or a fork to separate the strands. You want them tender, but still with a slight chew. Once your noodles are perfectly cooked, remove the saucepan from the heat. This prevents overcooking and allows the flavor to meld beautifully. Open the small flavor packet that came with your ramen and sprinkle its contents directly into the hot noodles and broth. Stir everything together really well until the seasoning is fully dissolved and evenly distributed. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite toppings, like a drizzle of sesame oil or some chopped scallions. Your delicious stovetop ramen is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot ramen, including both the noodles and the flavorful broth, into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a dash of chili oil for a little kick. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, easy ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.